Stay with me, let's sew this simple crop top together. This is a sew-along video. It's not going to take time. To take you less than 30 minutes to sew up this crop top. I made this crop top using my PDF sewing pattern. So if you have gotten your own PDF sewing pattern, go ahead and let's watch this video. If you have not, make sure to go to the description section or the comment section to get the PDF sewing pattern. It comes in A4 US letter and copy shop, and it's highly optimized for projectors. Make sure to get the PDF sewing pattern. Let's get started. First, you're going to fold your fabric selvage to selvage into two, as you can see, and then you place your pattern. As you can see, this is on fold, and then this is going to have a seam at the back. If you don't want it to have a seam at the back, you can as well fold it not to have seam at the back, but I want this to have seam at the back. So I'm going to go ahead and add half-inch sewing allowance here, half-inch sewing allowance here, and I'm going to leave the neckline like that. Also add half-inch sewing allowance here and here. Also at the back, I'm going to add half-inch sewing allowance. For this, I am going to extend this a bit. I wanted it to be half-inch sewing allowance, but I'm going to be adding 1.5 inch sewing allowance, 1.5 inches, because I want it to increase it by 1 inch. If you want it, you can leave it at this hem and just add half-inch hemming allowance both sides. But I'm going to add 1.5 because I want to make it 1 inch longer than the normal length. So this is it after sewing it. Make sure to iron this open, iron all the seams open, and then you're going to make sure you overlock this. But I didn't overlock mine. I had to use my pinking scissors to, you know, cut it so that it doesn't fray. But you can go ahead and overlock this. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to get the neckline and you're going to fold it into one, just once, and sew it round. So you're going to go ahead and then pin it. Make sure to open here all the seams. Make sure you open all the seams. So this is it. After pinning it all around, I'm going to go ahead and sew just one stitch. So this is it after sewing it. You make sure you do the same thing for the other side and then also this other side. Then I'm also going to hem this just once. Just place it once and sew it all around. So this is it after making it. You can see how it's looking on me, very comfortable. If you have not gotten the PDF sewing pattern, make sure to click the link in the description section or the comment section to get your own PDF sewing pattern. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.